2 years ago, companies rushed to replace workers with AI. It was cheap, it was fast, it never called in sick. So, what went wrong? Since ChatGPT came out in 2022, business after business made the same bet: swap human workers for AI tools, customer service, writing, coding, even basic decision making. At first, the math looked easy. One AI subscription costs less than one employee's monthly salary. Case closed, right? Not quite, because the sticker price was never the real price. Here's what actually adds up. First, compute. Running powerful AI models takes huge amounts of processing power, and that power isn't free. Some companies now spend more on server bills each month than they used to spend on entire teams. Second, mistakes. AI still get things wrong. Bad advice, bad code, bad customer replies. Someone has to catch those errors, and that someone is usually a human hired back at a premium. Third, scaling. The more a company leans on AI, the more computing it needs. Costs don't stay flat, they climb. So a strange thing started happening. Some of the same companies that cut workers for AI started hiring people back. Not because AI failed completely, but because the full cost, compute, oversight, fixing mistakes ended up higher than just paying a person to do the job. It turns out that a human brain is still one of the most efficient machines on the planet. It runs on coffee and a paycheck, not a data center. This doesn't mean AI is done, far from it. It means the story is more complicated than robots take all the jobs. The smartest companies right now aren't choosing AI or humans. They are mixing both, using AI for the boring, repetitive stuff and keeping people for the parts that needed judgment, trust, and creativity. So next time someone tells you AI is replacing all the jobs, ask them who's paying the server bill. If this opened your eyes to the real AI story, subscribe for more and drop a comment. Would you trust an AI with your job or your boss with the bill? See you in the next one.